Namaste. Welcome to the first online tutorial on fundamentals of restaurant service skills. Today we'll be learning about napkin folding. There are basically three sizes of cloth napkins which are used in restaurants. That is 12 by 12 inches, 15 by 15 inches and 18 by 18 inches. The first one, that is 12 by 12 inches, is called as cocktail napkins and is used in full-fledged bars. The second one, that is 15 by 15 inches, is used in most of the restaurants. And the third one, that is 18 by 18 inches, is used only in formal banquets and special occasions. Coming to the material which is used for making the cloth napkins, damask is supposed to be the best material which is used for making cloth napkins. It is a combination of cotton and linen. It is available in white and pastel shades with a self-floral pattern. But just because it is expensive and little difficult to maintain, it is not used in most of the places. Now we will start with the napkin folds. The first fold which I am going to show here is called as book fold. Now whenever we are doing the napkin fold, we have to make sure that we start from the hemmed side so that when the fold is complete, the right side should be visible to the guest. We'll start with the first fold, which is called as book fold. From top we bring the corners down like this, and then from bottom take it up like this. Then from right hand side we put the index finger and thumb, bring it towards left, then from the left side like this, and once it is done it should open on the left like a book. So this fold is called as book fold. Now we'll do the next fold, that is waves. The first two steps are same for waves like book fold. We bring it down like this, and then from bottom to top like this. Then we just turn the napkin like this, and then from top and bottom we have to fold like this. We bring it down just above the bottom fold edges, and then we again fold it like this. When we are folding, we have to make sure that these two folds are equal. This is waves. Now we will make the 10th fold. For 10th fold, first we do the double fold like this from top to bottom, then from right side towards left like this, and then we turn the napkin, take all the four corners upwards, and then put the index finger and thumb, fold it this way, and then it becomes like this, like a tent. This is the tent. The next fold which we are going to make is called as cock's comb. Again, the first few steps are same like tent. First we bring it down like this, and then from right towards left like this. Then we turn it, take these corners upwards, and then we put the index finger and thumb and we fold this way like this, and fold it, turn it, hold it like a pistol, and then bring these layers out one by one. Then we keep it like this. The next fold which we are going to do is cone. From top we bring it down like this. Then we start from right hand side, we bring it here, then take this corner like this, and then one more fold, take it up, hold it like this, keep it down like this, then turn the edges, put your hand inside, it should stand like a cone. For this fold, the napkin should be properly starched, and then only it will stand properly. So this is cone. Now we will be making candle, the next fold. For candle, you just take one corner and bring it down here. We make a fold like this, and then we turn the side and then fold this way first, and then we roll it. This corner will be tucked in neatly at the back, and then it is kept like this. The next fold, which is fan, from top bring it to the bottom like this, turn, then we have to make the plates. We will make flower. Like this, then once again this. Then we just flip it. And then we have to keep our hand like this, and then open the petals one by one like this. This flower. The next fold which we are making is bishop's cap. Double fold, then right hand side from top to bottom, left hand side bottom to top, turn, flip, then bring it down like this, open it, for bishop's cap also the napkin should be properly starched, otherwise it won't stand. This is bishop's cap. And now comes the last one, that is star. This is star. Thank you for watching the video. I'll be back soon for the next part of basic restaurant service skills.